Hello everyone. Welcome to the 7th episode of Debugging TV Frames program. You can type your questions during this episode. If I can't answer particular questions now, I then post answers on the websites. For example, debugging.tv. I quickly discuss some topics, such as on this list, during this presentation. And the first topic that we discuss is checking images. So if we would like to check modules in memory for code corruption science or function code patches, we can use ban check image command, which downloads a specified module from Microsoft Symbol Server or gets it from a specified location and compares with image sections in memory, for example, in a memory dump. So let's quickly see that. So I have WinDbg open. I go there and open a crash dump. I then fix symbols, do reload, and if I want to check images, for example, I would like to check NT module. I use check image command with both with summaries and type NT. Unfortunately, we get this error. I would actually do, I also open a log file. And repeat this command. So what we can do now, we can specify if we see that it can happen on some machines. We can check symbol path and take Microsoft Symbol Server and either put this into image file path dialog or use another command like this, and then we repeat. Now it works. It detected one error and points to some patched function. So I'm not going to talk more about this. I provide you a link to Hooksware, kernel Hooksware, and user space Hooksware in presentation you can download later from debugging.tv. What I would like to tell you that there are other situations when we need images. For example, when we analyze various mini dumps and we want to disassemble code, but it is not present. So we discuss such examples during further episodes. But what we do now, we continue, and I show you how to check all modules for corruption or function patching science. First of all, there is command called for all modules, and we take advantage of it. But first of all, I would like to tell you that there are some aliases similar to string variables, and al command shows, for example, there are no aliases now, but some commands create and destroy aliases during execution. For example, for each module, does that. So if we, for each module, we execute this command to type all aliases, we would see that for each module, there are lots of aliases it creates. And after that, if we execute, it shows some aliases that it also creates, but doesn't destroy. And for example, you see there are some aliases, and we are mostly interested in this module name, because what we can do for each module, we can execute this command check image and do, for example, put that alias module name. You see some image paths. It can find some images. On one of machines that I tried today, it worked through all images. But for sure, this command would detect patching in int. So I put this all on this slide. You see it is still running. So in this session, I demonstrated you the usage of these commands. If you have questions, please ask. So here we come to ban ad command and training ads. Please visit training schedule at memory dump analysis services at dumpanalysis.com. One of trainings that we plan for this year is accelerated macOS X core dump analysis. And also accelerated software trace analysis for software traces and logs. So thank you for watching this episode. I plan to do some live debugging for next episode that is scheduled for 17th of February using some virtual machines. And for this episode, please later check out the slides and recorded video. If it was okay, because I just tried a different computer for recording. If recording is not good, then I repost it. So thank you very much for watching this episode. There is some time left, so you can ask questions. Thank you.